Hi everyone! Welcome back to the English Story Lab. Today is all about speaking. Not thinking, not translating, just speaking. By the end of this video, your English will feel more natural and more automatic. Here's how it works. You listen to a sentence, and you repeat it out loud, not in your head, out loud, like a real conversation. You focus on the rhythm, the sounds, the feeling of the words. The more you say it, the more natural it feels. Let's begin with a warm-up. You will start with 1 star. Let's see if you can get 5 stars at the end of the practice session. I feel a little tired. I feel a little tired. He needs some rest. He needs some rest. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. She looks better today. She looks better today. Let's take a short walk. Let's take a short walk. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. I'm here with you. I'm here with you. I'm happy you're here. I'm happy you're here. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Great job. Today's sentences come from a story called The Day He Remembered. It's a touching story about Grandpa Mateo, who slowly starts to recover his memories. You can find the full lesson on the channel anytime. But don't worry, you don't need to watch it first to enjoy today's practice. Everything you need is right here. Now let's focus on chunks. Chunks are small groups of words that native speakers use together all the time. Instead of building sentences word by word, you learn them as one complete idea. That's how real English works. And that's what helps you sound natural. We'll start simple and build up. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence. He is recovering little by little. He is recovering little by little. Little by little, my English is improving. Little by little, my English is improving. Little by little, she felt more hopeful. Little by little, she felt more hopeful. Little by little, he started to remember small things. Little by little, he started to remember small things. All at once, everything felt different. All at once, everything felt different. All at once, he looked at me and smiled. All at once, he looked at me and smiled. All at once, she felt a sense of relief. All at once, she felt a sense of relief. All at once, he remembered something from the past. All at once, he remembered something from the past. She tried to hold on to hope. She tried to hold on to hope. We need to hold on to hope. We need to hold on to hope. Even in difficult times, hold on to hope. Even in difficult times, hold on to hope. They held on to hope through every difficult day. They held on to hope through every difficult day. She held on to hope even when things were uncertain. She held on to hope even when things were uncertain. He used to laugh all the time. He used to laugh all the time. He used to tell stories every night. He used to tell stories every night. She used to visit him every single day. She used to visit him every single day. She is getting used to the new routine. She is getting used to the new routine. It takes time to get used to change. It takes time to get used to change. It's hard to get used to new medicine. It's hard to get used to new medicine. It's hard at first, but you get used to it. It's hard at first, but you get used to it. I'm used to waking up early now. I'm used to waking up early now. She's used to taking care of him. She's used to taking care of him. He isn't used to the quiet house yet. He isn't used to the quiet house yet. She wasn't used to asking for help. She wasn't used to asking for help. By then, they were used to waiting. By then, they were used to waiting. He looked at me as if he knew me. He looked at me as if he knew me. He smiled as if nothing had changed. He smiled as if nothing had changed. She spoke as though everything was normal. She spoke as though everything was normal. She looked at him as though she was waiting for something. She looked at him as though she was waiting for something. Excellent. That was a bit intense, but you're doing great. Now let's put everything together. This is the challenge. I'm going to read 2 short paragraphs at a natural conversational speed. No pauses. Try to stay right behind my voice, like a shadow. Imagine you're telling this story to a friend. Don't worry if you miss a word. Just keep going and follow the rhythm. Ready? Let's try the first one. Grandpa Mateo used to be the loudest person in the room. He used to fill the house with laughter and jokes. But little by little, his health changed. It was a difficult situation, and the family had to get used to the silence. Still, Sophia decided to hold on to hope. She visited him every day, even when he looked as if he was in a different world. Nice. Now the second one. Then the doctor started a new treatment. It wasn't easy at first, but little by little, things improved. Then, all at once, he looked at an old photo and smiled. He looked as if he was truly present again. He remembered the ocean and the stories they shared. Now, the house is full of life again, and everyone is used to hearing his voice in the morning. Wow, you did it. Here are your 5 stars. Shadowing isn't easy, but it's one of the most effective ways to improve your English. Let's quickly review what we practiced today. All at once means suddenly everything at the same time. Little by little means slowly, step by step. Hold on to hope means staying positive even in difficult moments. Used to talks about the past. Get used to is about adapting. And be used to means something is already normal for you. As if and as though help you describe how something feels or seems. These are real, everyday expressions. You'll hear them in conversations, in movies, everywhere. The more you repeat them, the more natural they'll feel. So come back to this video and practice again. Little by little, your English will start to feel like yours. If you want the full story and deeper explanations, check out the complete lesson of The Day He Remembered here on the channel. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next lesson.